What's up, YouTubers? This is Swede, coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing a classic, I Can See Clearly Now, by Johnny Nash. Alright, so this song is in standard tuning and it's really simple up until the bridge. That's when it gets not beginner stuff, pretty hard with bar chords. Alright, but the rest of the song is easy. We got D major. 1, 2, 3. G major. 1, 2, 3. We got A major. We got a C. 2, 3. So that's for the verses and the chorus. So let's go. D major. 1, 2, 3, 4. G, 2, 3, 4. G, D major. D major, major, G, and A major. D major, and G major, and D major. C, G, and D. That's the chorus there. C, G, and D. And the strumming. Down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. D, 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 G, and A major. D to G major and D major. C and G 2 times. C and G. Okay, so that's the main part of the song. Now for the tricky part. We gotta go to F. We'll start at the beginning of the bridge. 1, 2, 3, 4. F to C. F and A7. 1, 2. And now we got a C sharp minor bar chord, so that's 4, 6, 6, 5 to G major bar chord. It's 3, 5, 5, 4. Do that 2 times. C sharp minor, G, back to C, a D6. That's 1, 2. Open high E string and end on A7. Let's do the bridge one more time. 1, 2, 3, F major. C major. F major. To A. Now C sharp minor. To G. C sharp. To G. C. D. With open E string and A7. Back to verse. Chorus. C to G and D and C to G and D Cool. That's all the parts for I Can See Clearly Now. See you tomorrow, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Be safe. Bye.